Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to talk about League of Legends versus Mobile Legends. Is it copyright infringement? Before I start the video proper, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Dean Rod Vera. I'm a law professor, a law school dean, and a copyright lawyer. I've been teaching intellectual property for more than 10 years, and I have a master's degree in intellectual property from the University of San Francisco. And the most important qualification? I am a gamer. I've been playing video games since they were invented. I played video games when there was no mouse. I played the original Doom, the original Diablo, and I've been playing World of Warcraft since 2008. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And if you have a chance, please subscribe. Statistics show that if you subscribe to my channel, you'll receive 3 years of good luck and 5 more years of better luck. So today I will talk about League of Legends versus Mobile Legends, both as a lawyer and as a gamer. In 2017, Riot Games, representing League of Legends, filed a lawsuit for copyright infringement against Shanghai Moonton, which is representing the Mobile Legends. The lawsuit was filed in California in the federal court because federal courts in the United States handles intellectual property and copyright lawsuits. League of Legends argues in the lawsuit that Mobile Legends copied substantial portions of their game, both in the map and in some of the characters. What are League of Legends and Mobile Legends? To explain, this is a type of game wherein the user or the player gets a character and plays with other people in two teams of 5 players with random abilities and skills, armor, weapons. They fight in a battleground or a map and see who comes out on top. This is similar to the World of Warcraft's PvP or player versus player battlegrounds, wherein two teams of varying numbers play against each other and see who wins the most points or see who gets the most players eliminated. In this lawsuit, the League of Legends claims that they have 130 champions and Mobile Legends copied some of those champions. Since this lawsuit is about copyright infringement, what is copyright infringement? Copyright first is the protection afforded to literary artistic works given to artists, creators who make artwork, and these artworks must be manifested in tangible mediums, such as here the internet or images or computer programs. One of the rights available to a copyright owner is the right to carry out, to prevent, or to license copyrighted works. Part of that license is the right of reproduction, even substantial portions. And when somebody, an alleged infringer, copies or reproduces a substantial portion of the work without permission, the owner of the original work can sue the alleged infringer for copyright infringement. Did Mobile Legends infringe on the copyright of League of Legends? The court in the United States did not give a definitive answer. In fact, when the case was filed in 2017, a year later, the US court dismissed the case on the grounds that there are other forums, because they're both Chinese companies, that are better to determine whether there's infringement or not. So, in effect, the case was dismissed on a technicality. So, the United States courts, or the United States Copyright Court here, did not make a determination whether there was infringement or not. Direct copyright infringement is when you take the actual work itself, a photo, an image, parts of a movie, parts of a painting, parts of a drawing, put that exact image, or what we will do today, copy and paste it in a work that we will publish or print ourselves, whether in internet or in paper. When you do it without permission, that should be or could be considered copyright infringement. Of course, there are several exceptions or defenses, such as fair use or using it in private use without profit. Nevertheless, in this case, Mobile Legends is an app that that seeks to make money. Of course, League of Legends would like to sue because what's happening is that Mobile Legends is riding off the popularity or siphoning or taking away what belongs to League of Legends insofar as the copyrighted works. I have shown here several photographs on the images which League of Legends is saying that Mobile Legends copied. So you see here, this is the map of the League of Legends, or what they call the battlegrounds, where the two teams fight against each other. I was able to obtain a copy of the original complaint filed by League of Legends against Mobile Legends, and they put pictures. As you can see here in the photo, that there's an image that is owned by League of Legends or created by League of Legends, and here's the map that is by Mobile Legends. Do you see any similarity? Do you see any differences? Aside from the map, League of Legends is claiming that the Mobile Legends copied certain characters that they created or the former created. I will show you first some comparisons. In the first picture, we have Alice versus Morgana. You see any similarities? What I can see, there are similarities insofar as the wings. Both characters have wings. In the next picture, we have Karina versus Akali. Both characters are dressed in midriffs. They look military type. And of course, they have also similar hair. In the third picture, we have Hanabi versus Ayana or Oyana. Here, these two characters use a similar circle blade. In the fourth picture, we have Argus versus Atrox. The similarity I see here is both characters use a two-handed sword. In this last picture, this Selena versus Kindred. The similarity here is both characters use a blue spirit pet. Now, if I were to show you all the characters or all the characters that are similar, then this video would be 45 minutes long. And of course, I know that'll be too long for anybody to watch. Nevertheless, I show some pictures which I think have similarities and differences. Is it copyright infringement? One of the bases of copyright infringement is whether the original work versus the second work. Does the second work contain a substantial portion of the first work or the original work? Whether that portion allegedly copied is substantial from the first work. If there's a determination that there are substantial similarities, then that may be considered copyright infringement. But in this case, what we need to have is what they call the ordinary observer principle, wherein a person not familiar with the games, a person not knowing what the games are, when seeing the images, will see or detect similarities or differences between the two works. As a gamer myself, I think that the similarities are there, but are they substantial enough to be considered infringement? In my opinion, in my personal opinion, I believe as far as the characters are concerned, although the similarities are present, I don't think they are substantial enough to be considered infringement. However, looking at the mini-maps of where the players play, and I'll show you some pictures in which the League of Legends are alleging infringement. First, here's the map on the top view or the bird's eye view of the map. I think there are some similarities based on the layout. In the complaint of League of Legends versus Mobile Legends, here they compare side to side images from both games. As you can see, there are some similarities. Are they similar? If you think they are or are not, please put your opinions or your views or your sides in the comments and let's have a discussion. In conclusion, as a copyright lawyer and pretending not to be a gamer, I would say that there is a good chance that League of Legends may have a cause of action against Mobile Legends. But as a gamer, I think that League of Legends' case is weak against Mobile Legends. One of the principles of copyright law is what they call the idea-expression dichotomy, which means what is protected is the expression of the idea, but not the idea. So the idea of a man wielding a sword, a woman wielding a circle's blade, or a man with certain powers, these are ideas. There may be different expressions of the same character, the same champion, as you will, between League of Legends and Mobile Legends. If you have any opinion on the matter, please put it in the comments and we can have a discussion. I thank you for watching this video and I hope I have made things clearer, or even worse, made things muddier regarding the League of Legends versus Mobile Legends lawsuit. I thank you again for viewing and have a good day.